Welcome to Reviewsinside, your go-to channel for honest and detailed product reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Tribest Glass Personal Vacuum Blender PBG 5001A, a sleek and innovative appliance that promises to deliver cleaner, healthier blends. The big draw here? It's vacuum blending technology. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down and see if this is a game changer for your daily smoothies and juices. The Tribest Glass Personal Vacuum Blender is designed with health-conscious individuals in mind, offering a plastic-free blending experience with a focus on preserving the nutritional integrity of your ingredients. It comes with two main control options, a variable speed dial and a one-touch pulse button, giving you more versatility than many of the typical personal blenders out there. But the real star of the show is the vacuum technology. The blender uses a 12-volt TVP 1050 quiet vacuum pump to remove excess air before blending, a feature that helps protect the nutrients, flavors, and colors of your ingredients from oxidation. This means you're getting a fresher, more nutrient-packed blend every time. Plus, the vacuum function supposedly increases the shelf life of your blends, making it perfect for meal prepping. If you've ever had a smoothie go brown and lose its freshness hours after making it, this could be a major plus. But what does this mean in practice? Well, let's talk setup. The Tribest Glass Personal Vacuum Blender is incredibly simple to get started with. The glass containers and stainless steel blade assembly feel solid and well built, providing a nice, clean aesthetic that stands apart from the usual plastic blenders you might be used to. Assembling the blender is straightforward. Attach the container, secure the lid, and you're good to go. The blender is easy to use. The variable speed dial gives you plenty of control, whether you're looking for a quick blend or a more finely textured mix. The pulse function is handy for controlling the consistency when needed, but the variable speed dial is where the magic happens, giving you flexibility depending on the ingredients you're working with. Whether you're blending soft fruits or tough greens, you'll appreciate having that level of control. Now, what about performance? The Tribest Glass Personal Vacuum Blender really shines when it comes to the vacuum blending. When you engage the vacuum pump, you can actually hear the air being sucked out of the blending container. This unique vacuum feature delivers a noticeably smoother blend, especially when using ingredients like spinach or kale. The texture is creamy and consistent without any lingering chunks or air bubbles. One of the best things about vacuum blending is that you don't get that separation you sometimes see in your smoothies after they sit for a while. You know, that thick layer of pulp at the bottom and clear liquid on top? This blender minimizes that, keeping everything mixed together for longer. Now let's talk about the pros. The build quality of this blender is top-notch. The glass containers not only offer a cleaner, chemical-free environment for your blends, but also give the blender a premium feel. You won't find any flimsy plastic parts here. The vacuum technology is definitely the standout feature. It works well in preserving freshness, which could save you time and money in the long run by reducing waste. It's also relatively quiet compared to some other blenders on the market, which is a nice touch if you're blending early in the morning or late at night. But it's not perfect. One of the biggest downsides I noticed is the size. This is a personal blender, so it's geared towards single servings. If you're someone who regularly blends large quantities, you might find yourself needing to blend multiple batches. While the vacuum pump is a nice feature, it can take a few seconds to fully engage and start the blending process, which can add a bit of time to your routine. Some might find this a bit of a hassle if you're in a rush. Also, the glass containers, while they offer a nice clean look, are heavier than plastic and can be a bit more fragile. You'll need to be careful not to drop them. In terms of value for money, it's a bit of a mixed bag. The Tribest Glass Personal Vacuum Blender is priced higher than many standard personal blenders, but the vacuum technology does offer a clear advantage when it comes to preserving the nutrients and freshness of your blends. For someone who's dedicated to maintaining the highest nutritional quality and wants to reduce waste, it could be worth the investment. However, If you're just looking for a basic blender to make quick smoothies without worrying too much about oxidation or texture, you may find more affordable options out there that do the job just fine. So, how does this stack up against competitors? Well, in the same price range, you have options like the NutriBullet Balance, which offers smart blending features but without the vacuum technology. Then there's the Blendtec Designer 625, which is more powerful and versatile in terms of blending functions, but doesn't focus on preserving nutrients in the same way this Tribest model does. Both of those are strong competitors, but they don't have the vacuum feature that sets this Tribest blender apart. If you're after the freshest, most nutrient-packed blend, this could be a better fit. But if you're just after power and versatility, there are other models that might serve you better for the same price or slightly less. Now let's talk about build quality and longevity. Tribest is a brand known for its durable products, and the glass personal vacuum blender follows suit. The stainless steel blades and glass containers should hold up well with proper care. While I haven't had this particular model long enough to speak to its long-term durability, Tribest has a solid reputation for making high-quality, long-lasting products. If their past models are any indication, this blender should stand the test of time, as long as you're mindful of the glass containers. Customer support is something worth mentioning here as well. Tribest offers a 5-year warranty on this model, which is reassuring. If anything were to go wrong, you can rest easy knowing you have support. While I haven't personally needed to reach out to their customer service team yet, the warranty speaks to the brand's confidence in the product's longevity. To wrap things up, the Tribest Glass Personal Vacuum Blender is a solid choice for those who prioritize freshness, nutrient preservation, and a plastic-free blending experience. The vacuum technology sets it apart from other personal blenders on the market, making it ideal for health-conscious individuals. However, if you don't need the vacuum feature, or if you typically blend large quantities, it might not be the best fit for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a review. The link to the product is in the comments box below. Got thoughts? Drop a comment and let me know what you think or share your experience with the Tribest Glass Personal Vacuum Blender. Until next time, stay fresh, stay healthy, and keep blending with Reviews Inside TV.